Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update your iPhone 13 to iOS 17. 4 later, sign into iCloud and enable two-factor authentication. Once done, check battery and plug in if under 50% so the setup won't interrupt. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because Apple Intelligence downloads and syncs data. Make sure Siri and dictation are enabled in Settings, Siri, and Search. Now open Settings and proceed to the Apple Intelligence section. Once in Apple Intelligence settings, enable the feature and select a personalization level that matches your privacy comfort. You need to grant permissions for photos, mail, messages, and notes so the system can analyze content. Make deliberate choices for each app. Make sure to review processing options, choose on device for more privacy, or allow cloud processing for broader contexts. While permissions sync, the phone may index your data. This can take some time, so continue only after indexing begins. Finalize setup by testing Apple Intelligence. Ask Siri a context-aware question tied to recent messages or photos to verify data access. If results seem off, go back to Settings, adjust permissions, or toggle Apple Intelligence off and on to force reindexing. Make sure iCloud sync is complete. Incomplete sync causes missing context. If the feature is slow or unresponsive, restart your iPhone, confirm Wi-Fi strength, and sign out and back into iCloud as a last resort. This often resolves lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.